everyone, it's Linda from the Upper Saddle River Library coming to you from my kitchen. The other night, the Upper Saddle River Library had a program called Boost Your Immunity with the Magic of Spices. It was very interesting and it got us thinking, perhaps some of our patrons would like to add a little more spice into their kitchen. So we are going to have some grab and go spice kits available in our lobby on Monday, March 14th. The first spice that we're going to offer up is turmeric. Jo T from the Nourishing Spoon was our presenter the other night, and she actually called turmeric the king of spices. It's known to be good for anti-inflammatory, and they're now doing research to see what other health benefits it had. So whether you're curious about the health benefits, or you just want to add something different to your cooking, we thought we'll give you a couple of teaspoons full, which is more than enough for several recipes. We'll give you some recipes to try. So today I'm going to show you a couple of things I've been trying that we didn't include. One was just a basic turmeric tea. Now this was hot, and normally I would put it in a cup, but I wanted to show you guys the color. So that's why I put it in a glass just for this. In this tea, it was a half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 cups of water that I heated up. I started with a boil, I simmered it for 10 minutes, took it off the heat, and then I added in 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. You could do raw honey if you want to have that instead. Again, considering it's a great anti-inflammatory, this was really a nice warm hot tea, an alternative to maybe not wanting to have caffeine in the afternoon. I did really like it. We also did a program with Tammy's Tastings. When I was talking about turmeric, she let me know that there were some cocktails that included turmeric. So I'm going to make one of those for you now. See, spices aren't just for cooking. So this is a turmeric cocktail. It involves 1.5 ounces of vodka, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. I'm going to do 3/4 of an ounce of maple syrup, which is my new little go-to for sweetening. And then 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. You can see the beautiful color of turmeric. You do have to be careful though, it does stain. It's also used in dyes. So when you use it, think about that. Okay, so let me shake up my cocktail. I can already smell the warming spice of the turmeric. Give it a pour. And then I finish it off with an elderflower tonic water. Oh, this looks pretty. Ooh, if this makes it healthy, I'm certainly enjoying it. Well, I hope you guys pick up some of the kits in our library. I'd love if you guys would share with me pictures of recipes that you try with turmeric. We also on Facebook have an Upper Saddle River Library Cookbook Club, if you want to post to that as well. And I'm interested to see what you guys come up with. I'm going to keep experimenting. With that, take care and hope to see you soon.